Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and in this video we're going to talk about the new Newsan from Dainese. The new Newsan came out in 2010, and the way you can easily tell the difference between the original Newsan and the new Newsan is that they coated the aluminum hard parts on the shoulders with plastic to match the jacket. In the original Newsan, they were anodized and matte finish. So if we look at this guy, it's a very technical, high-end jacket. It's going to be a step up from the racing, and it's not going to be as technical as something like the Santa Monica or the Rebel or the Alien. It doesn't have a speed hump. There's no thermal liner in this guy. The main chassis is built up of D-skin leather, and what that is a different type of leather tanning process that's proprietary to Dainese. It increases the tensile strength as well as the tear resistance. You can also notice on this guy, the new Newsan, that the perforation scheme is increased, so it's going to flow more air in the perf version, and then it's perforation that's panel specific. So what they do is they move the perf away from the seams because it actually slightly weakens the leather. So you'll notice that the perforation stops well before the seam in any one place. Looking through the exterior here, so you have these co-injected race-style shoulder pieces of armor that have the external aluminum sliders. You can have S1 stretch panels that are comfortable, flow air, and add flexibility to this guy. Turn to the right side for me. As we come down the shoulder, again, you're going to see this co-injected piece, perforation along the backside. You have elasticated panels across the back of the elbow for flexibility, and then you have the built-in elbow and forearm armor here in the coat that is, it is built in. It's race style. Turn backwards for me. The back of this guy is basic. I love it. I actually have this jacket. I have the old Newsan, but what I love about it is there's no speed hump, and it's just the classic Dainese logo with the reflectivity in the eyes and around the border. To me, I like that subtlety. I like the classicness of that. You also, in the back protection side of things, you can upgrade this guy to a Wave G1 or a G2. That's going to be the pocket that's built into this guy. 360 zip at the bottom. You can connect it to your Delta Pros or your ponies, make it a track legal two-piece suit. Adjustment here on both hips, and then notice the seat goes down far enough as well, and again with big perforation schemes under the arm and these S1 panels that are going to wrap around all the way to the back. Hit the racing position for me, Eric. So you notice that across the shoulder blades you're going to get a good amount of stretch. Turn back around. One thing I didn't mention is there's no thermal liner in this guy like something like the Santa Monica or the Rebel, but what you do have is the 3D bubble liner, and the 3D bubble liner, it has tiny pockets of air that collect inside. It creates an air gap between the outside of the coat and your body. It's going to keep you cool in the summertime, keep you warm in the winter, and what that does is it traps that layer of air. As I mentioned, this is the perf version. There's a full non-perf version. There's a couple different colors. I like to call the different colors the yellow, the blue, the red, the iPod version of this jacket because it really has, with these coated shoulders, it really has a contemporary look to it. If you have any questions about the Newsan, give us a shout. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. Eric's wearing a size 48. He's an athletic build, 5'6", 165 with a 38-inch chest, and he's wearing that size 48. It fits him snugly, and it would be the correct fit for the racetrack. As always, this guy's $39 or higher. It's going to ship for free. If you get the wrong size, send it back to us. We'll exchange it for free. You can earn TeamZilla cash, which is our way of saving some cash on your next shot or next order from us. And as always, if you just don't like it, send it back to us with the tags intact in unworn condition, and we're going to swap it out for no charge. I'll give you 100% back in cash to your credit card. Never a restock fee here at RevZilla.com. Thanks for watching today. This is the Dainese new Newsan in perfed and non-perfed, available at RevZilla.com/Dainese. We'll see you next time.